Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Introduction to SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language and it is used to communicate with relational databases like MySQL, Oracle and SQL Server. In this video, I will explain SQL basics and also execute some SQL queries live. SQL is database language used to store, retrieve, update and delete data. Data in SQL is stored in the form of tables, which contain rows and columns. SQL is easy to learn because it is English like keywords. It uses English like keywords. Database and table concept. A database is a collection of tables. Each table contains records and each record represents one row. All SQL operations are performed on tables. Creating table. Now let's start with live SQL execution. First, we will create a table using create command. For creating a table, we need to write create table and table name we are going to take it as student 2 and we are going to give id as integer and integer is a data type. We need to specify data type for every column and name as varchar and it is the size 20 is the size of the name and marks integer. So here we can see that the table student2 table is created and now we are going to insert the data into student2 table. For that, you need to write command insert into table name. Here the table name is student2. Student2 insert into values. We are going to give id as 1 and name as Ravi and marks are 85. Here the one row is created and we are going to insert another data. Insert into table name and id as 2 and name as Bharat and marks are 90. So here again one row is created. For displaying the data in table, we will use select command. Select star from table name. So this is previous data. Select star from our table name is student 2 and here we can see that our two rows are created and displayed here. ID1 name Ravi marks are 85 and ID2 name Bharat and marks are 90 as we have inserted here. Here Ravi Bharat and marks are 85 and 90. Now let's filter the data using where clause. For this we will write select name comma marks from table from student to table where marks are greater than 80 or 80 let's say. Here we can see that the marks which are greater than 80 are displayed here. Ravi and Bharat both have marks greater than 80. And for updating the data in database table, we use update command. Update table name student 2 set marks is equals to 90 where id is equals to 1. So here we are changing Ravi marks as 90 as his ID is 1, one row is updated. We are going to display it. Select star from student to table. Here we can see that the Ravi marks are updated to 90. And for deleting, let's say Ravi marks, we use delete command. Delete from table name where ID is equals to 1. Now it deletes the record with ID is equals to 1. And we will see from student table. So here we can see that Ravi marks are deleted. Entire Ravi database is deleted. So SQL is divided into 5 sublanguages: DDL, DML, DQL, DCL, and TCL. In this video, we learn what is SQL and executed basic SQL queries like create, insert, select, update, and delete. SQL is foundation of databases and mastering it opens many career opportunities. Thank you.